Hey guys, welcome to my channel Street from D Star. This is your divine messenger with the two piles. Like pile number one will be the sunflower, pile number two will be this gardenia. I hope it's focusing. Okay. In the sunflower, the keywords are positivity and growth, and in the gardenia, you have simplicity and devotion. You have basically two piles there. You have to pick one. This is just a quick reading, and whatever question you have in your mind now, uh, like only one question, okay? Like be very straight with your question, and I will see what universe wants to tell you as an answer regarding to that question. So pile number one would be this sunflower, and I will be beginning with this pile number one, okay? So those of you who have chosen pile number one, now let's get started with your reading. I don't know why I'm suddenly feeling happy, or let's say it's your energy that you are feeling little bit happy, or maybe much more happy. Who knows? Okay, so let's see, sunflower. What is the answer to your question? Okay, let's see. Okay, it can be anything. Doesn't have to be okay. You have the King of Swords. Okay, you have the King of Swords, you have the Ace of Wands, okay, and you have the Four of Swords. You are being told to just relax, okay? You are being told to just relax and let go of the heavy tension regarding this thing. Whatever this is, this King of Swords and Four of Swords. You are being told to don't use your mind too much. Maybe you are getting tired of just overthinking about some kind of new beginning you want to have in your life, and it's like quite passionate. It's like you want this, you want to chase this, but it's if it's the correct thing to do or not. Maybe you are getting in your head, Hannah, like whether I should go or not. But I think just relax, trust your intuition, trust your logical reasoning, whatever you have done in quite a few days or few months. I don't know from which time you're, maybe the last winter, I guess, with this King of Swords, maybe from the last winter, or dear, you are too much in your head about this. Now just go for it. The simple answer is yes, even if it's the other person. Let's say if you are in no contact with some person, okay, and your question was that whether they will talk to you or not. I think they will talk to you. You just have to take a chill pill and relax, okay? This person will talk to you, and maybe this person is contemplating on what to say, what not to say, or like they just don't want to make a mistake. With the Four of Swords I'm seeing here, they just want to be right, okay? Like so that nothing, they don't repeat the past mistake, I would say. So I will just say, like, expect a new beginning or go for a new beginning. Or if you are expecting it from some kind of person, like a communication or a approval, you will be going to get it. Okay. So this will be it, pile number one. And moving on to pile number two. Okay, pile number two. Those of you who have chosen gardenia, okay, simplicity and devotion. I don't know why I'm feeling like this will be chosen by girls, a lot of girls, or I don't know, like even if five people watch this video, still this pile, I don't know, like if a girl is related to this or your question, or a female figure, I don't know, okay, but we will see, okay? Like whatever your answer is regarding your question in your head, okay? Okay, you get vulture, okay? Depression, anxiety, worry that someone is against you. You are getting this card, okay? hmm? Financial pinch. Oh my god, what happened? Fire, a strong emotion, passionate love or hate. I think so. Whomsoever picked this pile, you are being straightly told to let go of your emotions. Like you are holding on to something that is making you lose either passion regarding your work, or let's say you are altogether focused on one thing in your life. You are strongly having the emotions to follow or chase one thing, whether it's love or career, but you are entirely, let's say, ignoring the other thing. And if your question is like, how to balance, or let's say whatever you are doing is correct or not, or whether you are on the right path or not, or let's say, you are so much passionate, or you, even if you hate somebody now, or even if you love someone very deeply or strongly, universe is trying to tell you that don't make it too much, don't make it like an obsession where you end up being hurt, or end up being doing something that will make you feel very less, like, in career, let's say you are lacking, or you are behind in some shape or form. Dear universe is trying to tell you now, balance your life, balance your career and your finance and your love and your health. Don't be disturbed by like the external factor, or let's say whatever your, like, control your strong or obsessive desire. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Like, there is something in you, dear, that is going beyond it should. Even if it's love, hate, whatever it is, it's like it's not doing anything good in return to you. Control it, balance it, you need to. Okay, okay. Yes, this is the card. Nine of Wands. So you are, okay, you are little bit tired. You are little bit, not little bit, I think so. It's more. Again, I'm so sorry, sending you a warm virtual hug and sending you love and light. But this thing now, this Nine of Wands is like, you are literally tired, you are literally giving up on something, like you are saying like, okay, maybe I should try once. But the thing is, you have tried enough time, that what I'm seeing here. Like, maybe it's excessive amount of trial, or let's say you are holding on to something, you are being stubborn or little bit jiddy. Okay, so let go of something. Yes, see this triple nine, you have triple nine here, these three cards. So something about ki one thing is completing in your life, and you are being guided to follow the guidance or follow your soul calling that is telling you your wish fulfillment is somewhere else. I don't know. If your question is like, if you are looking for the happiness in the wrong place, or maybe yes, you are, dear. You have to change your direction, or let's say you have to listen to your soul calling. Okay, that will tell you ki, okay, you have tried, it's fine, but you will be getting the, it's a reward, or let's say it's award, or it's a whatever it is now, you will be getting in another shape, way or form. Like, whatever you are expecting it from this, maybe you will not get it. This card is telling you to look somewhere else, or follow your soul's desire. Somewhere maybe you are looking at the wrong places for happiness, or let's say you are looking, or you are expecting happiness from the wrong person. You like, you need to change your focus. That's what your answer is. Like, change your focus. Or if you are seeing things with like very 3D level, go within. Okay, see beyond the surface, take a deep dive. You will be exactly getting the answer. Okay, you will be finally finding the way out from this restriction and getting this wish fulfillment. So I hope this helped, and thank you so much for watching. If you want personal reading from me, or if you want to learn tarot from me, okay, so you can contact me on my mail id. You will be finding the mail id in my description box. Okay, and thank you so much for watching. God bless you all, and be happy, stay safe, and take care. Bye.